Trading with my cousin. Offering infinity cube. I'll give you this fidget pad. Can you add? I'll give you this acupressure. Deal. Can I offer for your octopus? Sure. Give you this puppet. Could you add? Okay, I'll give you this mini dimple. Deal. Could I offer for your squishmallow? Yes. I'll give you my dimple. Oh my god, guys, I'm so poor. All I have is orange monkey noodle. Oh my god, look at that girl. She has so many poppets and dimples. Let's try to see if we can trade with her. Hello, here, can I trade you this monkey noodle? I'm sorry, but you're too poor for any of this, so no. Oh, okay. Okay guys, let's see if I can find any fidgets in the trading hut. Okay guys, let's look around. Seeing if my fidgets float or sink. First, my dimple floats. My puppet floats. My Lucky Shot floats. Infinity Cube floats. Turn the simple nipple going once, going twice. I want offer. Okay, what's your offer? A piece of windshield from when my dad broke out of a cop car. I only have this wacky track. That girl is so rich. Hi, ma'am. Do you have an offer for this wacky track? Maybe I do. Let me check. I'll give you this super good cactus puppet and this purple needle. Sorry, but I just remembered this is my only fidget and I don't want to trade it. That's okay. You can look around the trading hut and find more fidgets. I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do. Here's part 16. I really don't want to do this task because as soon as I finish a task, the fidget goes away until I do all my tasks. But if I do all the tasks, then not only will my needle come back, but all my fidgets will come back. So I guess it's for a good cause. I'm looking for dirt, but I can't really find any to throw this in. Guys, I think I found dirt. Yep, it's dirt. I think it deserves another throw. I have slime. Got a fidget pencil. These have, Squishmallows. Actually kinda cute, like, it's Anthony. How much is Anthony? A lot? We just got candy and now trading seashell puppet. Gee, can I please offer? Of course you can. I'll trade you this boba puppet and this gummy bear dimple. Sure. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Trading this stuff. Can I please offer? Sure. I'll trade you this slime and this whale puppet. Sure. Here. Thank you so much. Alright, I'm just gonna chill here and see if anyone wants to offer. Let's look for someone to trade with. Those are my dream fidgets. Yes, I went to my puddles again. So today I'm doing a haul of what I got. Also, this is the info in case you want to go there too. Okay, first thing is the teeny neatos. I've gotten these before, as you can see in another video, but I decided to get some different colors this time. Okay, let's take them out and test them. Oh my gosh, I love these. I already have a green one, so I'm gonna test out these two. This is super nice. My favorite is the blue one. Alright, next. Monkey noodles. I am so excited for these. Okay, I'm just gonna dump Fidget
Hey guys, I bet you I could pop all these 5 poppets before you can like, follow, and share. And you better not pause the video because that's 100% cheating and it's not. Anyways, 3, 2, 1, go. Did you win?
Yes, the shorty said I need about 40 bullets and 40.
You can pop all of these before you can like, follow, and share, starting in 3, 2, 1.